Hey Tri-Cities, Julie here with Coldwell Banker doing our weekly roundup for our open houses. It's going to be a hot one, so if you want to stay cool and out of the sun, why don't you stop by? You can check out what's going on with the market, interior design, just kind of get an update. Maybe you just want to be nosy, and that's okay. I do that too. Make sure you stop by, stay cool, have a great weekend, and I hope to see you there. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Check, check.
Very good.
Let me think about this for a second. You like how I think? Okay. Okay, tell me when you're ready. Fire open houses. What's the name of that song? Kiki. I'm not really gonna do karaoke to test for that.